A one English listening practice for you. Instructions. Listen carefully to the sentences. Answer the questions based on what you hear. Try to repeat the sentences for better practice. Listening exercise 1. Daily activities. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I eat bread and eggs for breakfast. After breakfast, I go to school by bus. In the afternoon, I play football with my friends. In the evening, I watch TV with my family. I go to bed at 9 o'clock at night. Now listen to the question and answer them. Questions. What time does the person wake up? What does the person eat for breakfast? How does the person go to school? What does the person do in the afternoon? Who does the person watch TV with? What time does the person go to bed? Don't forget to write your in the comment so I can make sure if it's correct or no. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.